Welcome back to another crypto video. What's good, everyone? I hope you're doing awesome. Thanks for checking out another Jacob Crypto Bury video. Today we're going to look at Harmony 1. We are holding a really critical level of support right now, and I don't want to be one of these sensationalist YouTubers that get your emotions ticking over so it invalidates your logical sentiments, but I do want to talk about this particular support level, which is very dangerous should Harmony break below it. It could look quite dangerous, so we're going to check out some levels around there. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash subscribe, leave a comment down below, and also like the video. That really helps with the algorithm and the support. Massive thank you to the 5 patrons, by the way. You guys are amazing. And yeah, let's crack on. So Harmony trading at $0.164, rank 63. So we're getting a whole market kind of wipe out, sort of bleed out right now, and it doesn't look amazing. We can see that on the 30 days we're down 41%, on the 2 days we're down 16%, on the hour we're up 1%. So we're just consolidating a very key support level. Total value locked right now 1.41 billion. A lot of that comes from the play to earn platforms and also the staking and yield farming. So DeFi Kingdoms being one of them, Tranquil Finance being another, SushiSwap being another one. Really big chains, decentralized exchanges and automated market makers are keeping that Harmony price up right now, guys. So let's hop into the charts. What we can see is a humongous double top position here, and on the 10th of February we got rejected at our bull market support band. So we can see we bounced off there, and since that happened, things didn't look great. When we were around this 14th of January level on the MACD, we did get that bearish crossover, as you can see, and then that divergence happened again. We got the bullish crossover here, but right now we've just got that bearish crossover, as you can see right here. If we zoom in a little bit more, bearish crossover right here, so it can potentially indicate that we're going to see a bit more momentum to the downside. Now, looking at the 1 daily time frame, we can see the RSI isn't oversold, so it doesn't look too bad, but we have bounced off of this key support level at 0.1627, which is very important. As you can see, lots of support here, loads of support there, and if we do break the support level, there's not many other support levels we can fall back down to. We've got the 0.14, which I suppose is a very important level, and I think that might actually happen. So if we pull up the Fibonacci retracements, guys, and have a little look, that is almost at the golden pocket. We're just below that golden pocket. The next level of support on the Fibonacci retracement would be 0.11. So we need to basically hold this level and kind of see what's going to happen. On the 4-hour time frame, we're underextended on the 20-day moving average. You can see as well on the RSI we're sitting quite low at 31 relative strength index, so we're not really getting the volume, but whilst Bitcoin is dragging everything down, there's not much we can do. So hopefully we do get a bounce, and what I could anticipate happening is a little bounce to the upside. If we do get a bounce back to 0.19, maybe that's going to be the area we get rejected at that resistance. But you know, if we do lose the support, I am expecting that we come down to about $0.13 here before maybe even coming down even lower to 0.12. So just know this is when you're getting emotional, when you see these support levels being trickled on. When you're skating on thin ice like this is when your emotions are firing up, and don't let that invalidate your logic as to why you got into the project in the first place. If you were buying it at 0.35, why would you not buy more at 0.16? Now, not financial advice, always dollar cost average very wisely. Don't throw everything in at once. But yeah, guys, just wanted to shortly, well, I suppose promptly update you really, because this is a very key area of support, and it sucks. It's a bear market, it's boring, yes, but there might still be hope that we're going to get some bullish momentum. Last time we were below the bull market support band, we did break through, we got that bullish crossover, and you know, we haven't got that bearish crossover just yet, so maybe there's still hope. Let's see what's going to happen. Harmony is an amazing project, scalable, fast, efficient, and yeah, big potential for the future. So guys, if you want to support the channel, just please hit that thumbs up, subscribe. If you want to become a patron as well and be part of these lovely people, you can hop into the Discord down below. I'm going to lock it soon at 100 people, and yeah, you're going to receive a free ebook. It's literally the price With a coffee, you'll get premium exclusive one-on-one messaging. You'll support the channel and watch it grow. You'll also get that ebook which will transform your crypto journey. So guys, I hope you liked it. Have a great day regardless, wherever you are in the world. Don't let bad weather or crypto or all these trivial problems affect your life. Just have a great day. Take care. See you soon.